Good morning, this is John, and today I'm in the Lake District. So today we're going to walk around Grasmere and Rydal Water, two of the smallest lakes here. It'll be around 5.6 miles, so that's 9 kilometers in total. As we walk around, we should see a lot of beautiful nature, some of the lower mountains that exist around here. We will also pass Dove Cottage, which was the home of the Lakeland poet William Wordsworth from 1799 to 1808. And interestingly, Wordsworth called this the loveliest spot that man hath ever found. Yeah, so when I was a kid, my parents would bring us up here, my brother and I up here, almost every year. When we went on lots of walks and hikes, and ended up loving walking and being in nature. And actually my grandmother too used to come up here a lot. So it's been a sort of a tradition in my family to come to the Lake District, and yeah, it's really like coming home in a way. Just really looking forward to sort of sharing the beauty of this place and why it means a lot to me, and obviously so many millions of people. So let's have a little look before we start walking. And as you can see, beautiful mountains. That mountain's only around 300 meters high. I think most of them around here are about that high, 1,000 foot or less. Okay, so we're going to begin now. Today I'm joined by my dad, Hiya. James.
Hello.
And this is my partner, Mally.
Hi, hello.
And here we go. Hello. Morning has broken. Isn't that the song? Typical cloudy day in the lakes. I think we came here yesterday and we counted like 20 of them everywhere. I think that's the grave of William Wordsworth. That one in the middle there.
Yeah, it could be.
There's nothing else that could be it. There are no signs.
With all the daffodils. Oh, that might be his daughter.
Dorothy.
I think Dorothy's field is in Rydal Mount.
Great North Air Ambulance Service, so I guess they need a lot of donations. Wow, okay. It's interesting, isn't it? Oh,
I love that sign.
you love that
and
sign?
Respect. Walkers and
Oh, expect and respect, yeah. That's good, that, isn't it?
I think something to represent of this place.
Right. Nice little shop, unfortunately closed.
On a rowing boat. Gypsy caravan.
Some horses. Hello. Hello.
Look at that horse. It looks like a cow.
The pattern, yeah.
A goose.
Canadian goose, yeah. What? Yeah. Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can come to your house for breakfast in the morning.
Oh, really? What's this place? This is accommodation, look. Look at that view. Wow. This is fun. Cobbled path. 4x4s can go up here. Like a Land Rover or something. God, it's moss. No one walking this way.
No, they're walk on the road, aren't they? They want to go low down and underground a little way.
Yeah. Well, we'll be going back down there. Yeah, this looks right, because that way's Elter Water and Langdale, so. Opens the gate.
That's just a nice little gate.
I love this. National Trust.
National Trust.
So this organisation protects the Lake District, doesn't it, essentially? Don't they own 25% of the land?
They own a lot of the land.
Yeah.
A lot of the rest is owned by the Forestry Commission.
Yeah.
Gives you a Grasmere here.
Mm. Look at that view. Wow.
Here's the traffic, can't you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it, really? It ruins it. The raw, sort of a whirring kind of buzzing sound. It doesn't stop, does it? Fluffy moss.
Connection with nature.
Connection with nature. The sun has come out. Hi.
Yeah.
Morning. Hi. Come down here, yeah. It's too dangerous. Crazy. A lot of stress, isn't it?
Too stressful.
It's interesting seeing these fences made out of natural, apart from the wire, natural materials like the hole in the stone there. Love it. So that's the top of, well, the southern part of Grasmere, and that should lead us to Rydal Water. Maybe the best view in one of the best views in the lakes, right?
Yeah, one of those. The roads are
I mean, look at the reflections on the lake,
and the mountains are there.
the ripples, the mountains. And it's actually parasailing up there.
Is that on the left, right?
On the right. Maybe that's where we were yesterday.
Oh.
The other day. Yeah, look.
Oh, parasailing again.
Oh yeah.
Is that a helicopter as well? There's a helicopter. There we go, helicopter next. Beautiful, isn't it? So now we can see Rydal Water, I think. Isn't that one of the smallest lakes? Maybe the smallest? Like 16 major lakes, right? Ikeru? Daiju. Okay. It's not very far around there. Then we just go back. So we're just walking around Rydal Water now. Perfect weather. I think I walked around here many times as a kid. vague memories of some of the landscape, but just getting to appreciate it all over again. Such a pleasure.